Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're out here just north of Cordes Junction off of I-17 in Arizona, and I am out here with the Arizona ATV Riders. We are getting ready to do our safety briefing and go do a ride that I haven't done before, so I'm pretty excited. I am obviously the only one on portals. We do have a Pioneer 700 here. We have a Talon 4-seater with live valve, Can-Ams, Polarises, you name it, everything's here, even some Honda quads. So enough talking and let's get to riding. Well, here we are at the halfway point, and unfortunately we're supposed to go a little bit farther, but we can't. So we've made it down to this old ranch that we know someone lived in about 9 years ago, but it is abandoned now. And as you can see, there's a barn over here in the house. I'm trying to save everyone's way, but down right there is the gate that's been locked. We don't know who locked it. Could be the Forest Service, previous owner. But through that gate we would go about another 150 yards before we'd have to park our vehicles anyways and walk down the hot springs. It's been a pretty cool ride so far. I'm trying to get some good stuff. It's not a real hard ride. Pretty much you could bring a Jeep Wrangler down here, a stock single cab or extended cab, 4-wheel drive. The first 20 miles of the trail you can pretty much get, I can get my Durango. You know it's 4-wheel drive, but they sit pretty low through most of it. So it's not a real hard trail, but towards this last part coming down the mountain, it's gotten pretty bumpy, pretty sketchy in some areas. We have run into some snow, but anyways, enough of me talking. Let's get back to riding and try to get back up the hill. I was really hoping to show on the hot springs, but it's okay. Back to riding. Here we are, a bit stop on the trail going uphill back to the cars. I just want to show everyone this. Is look at that, someone had a real bad day. So this is one of the few places I'm actually putting it in 4-wheel drive. I'm putting it in 4-low. Right around this bend up here, you'll see here in a second, it is a little sketchy for wheel placement. Pioneer 700 actually decided not to come down this part because they were concerned on the low ground clearance and they were just a younger driver. So a little less experience. Most experienced drivers could get it with wheel placement, but you'd have to be real careful. So let's see what the camera shows. right, not too bad, but as you can see, it was a little bad, pretty bumpy. So let's get back on and catch up with the group. Well, here's a great spot to do the outro. It's been a great ride. We probably got an hour and a half left to go, but I mean, where else can you do this other than like Colorado and a few other states where I can start off at 40-degree weather, warm up to 70, get to drive through some mud, water, snow, you know, and then look at this view. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you made it to the end. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Until next time.